In this video, I'll show you how to find Roblox servers. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and content like this. Now at first, you need to be logged into your Roblox account, right? If you don't have one, I'm going to be dropping the important links in this video description, so ensure you go check it out. So if you want to connect with a whole lot of other Roblox entrepreneurs or creators, what you need to do, you need to find servers, right? You need to find the communities where you can find some other members, right? You need to scroll down, click on these communities. So it's going to show you a whole lot of different servers with community members, right? So you can see, I think the biggest is this one with 25 million members. So I'm going to click on it. Once I've clicked on it, I wait for it to load. You can actually see that this is a server, right? This is a community. So you can join this community. Once you've joined this community, you'll be able to access a whole lot of things from this community, and most of them usually have some links, right? Maybe Twitter, YouTube, and a whole lot of them. So if I still go back, you see that there's still a whole lot of other servers right here, right? So this one has 27 million members in it. So these are a whole lot of different servers. You can train up, you can connect with everyone basically. So this is one of the server, right? One thing about this is that if you click on this community, you can actually get access to their Twitter, their YouTube, their Discord, and a whole lot of them. So if I click on this right now, I'm gonna join their Discord server, right? So but yeah, okay, this is it. I want you to see it, so I'll wait for this to load. So it has 556,000 members. I'm gonna accept the invite. I'm gonna join up. So I want to show you guys something, right? So you can see I just joined up the server right now, and yeah, I think here is it. I just joined up. So this is basically how you can find Discord, how you can find Roblox servers, right? So ensure you follow what I just did in the beginning of this video, so as you'll be able to understand everything basically. So I'm going to click on finish, and you can see I have access to this server. This is a Roblox server. If I click on this general, you can see these are Roblox creators, right? There are a whole lot of them right here. So if you find this video helpful, ensure you share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for hanging around to the end of this video. If you got any questions you want to ask me, you can share your thoughts in the comment section. I'm going to see you guys in the very next one.